A crypto protocol was just hacked this weekend for over $3 million, and Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson lashes out. This is your Altcoin Buzz news. Hey, what's up, everyone? My name is Cody Buffington. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when we drop the latest content. Follow us on Twitter at AltcoinBuzzIO, and as always, this is not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Bitcoin starts the week in a good spot as bulls send Bitcoin's price to a new 10-month high weekly close. After a relatively calm week, last-minute volatility is getting traders excited at the prospects of a repeat attack at 30,000, but a lot stands in the way. In what is set to be a significant week in macroeconomic data releases, the Consumer Price Index print for March is due on April 12th, along with fresh insights into Federal Reserve policy. This familiar event leads the week's macro calendar with US CPI data due for March. The release, which this time is on April 12th, traditionally accompanies heightened volatility in risk assets, making that day a key area to watch for fakeouts in crypto markets. The Federal Reserve will further produce the minutes of its last Federal Open Market Committee meeting, during which it opted to continue raising interest rates. The environment is somewhat complicated when it comes to CPI's impact on assets performance. While traders want to see inflation receding faster than expected, the Fed itself remains hawkish, last month confirming that further interest rate hikes may be appropriate. As Bitcoin market dominance sees a return, Bitcoin may see an internal source of friction this week as Ethereum prepares to undergo its Shanghai hard fork. Analysts are divided over how intense the resulting sell-side pressure might be. For those looking to sell the news, after the Shanghai upgrade, staked ETH will take around 1 year to be completely unlocked. It will be on a first-come, first-served basis. Despite crypto market sentiment being at its most greedy since the Bitcoin all-time high of November 2021, there are some encouraging signals from hodlers. These come from research firm Santiment, which at the weekend noted an ongoing trend that echoes hodler action from earlier that year as Bitcoin headed into unknown price territory. They said there's a rising rate of Bitcoin hodlers as traders seem to become increasingly content in keeping their bags unmoved for the long term. We saw a similar trend from January 2021 through April 2021 when Bitcoin rose above 64K for the first time. The Arbitrum community has initiated a new proposal requesting the Arbitrum Foundation to return 700 million ARB tokens to its DAO treasury. The move comes after the Arbitrum Foundation transferred the funds without receiving the community's approval in March. According to the proposal, the foundation should proceed with its budget plan only after returning the tokens. This is a symbolic gesture to demonstrate that the governance holders ultimately control the DAO, not the Arbitrum service provider nor the foundation. Voting will end on April 14th, and at the time of writing, 61% of voters supported the proposal, with 36.6% opposed to it and 1.27% abstained. The dispute between Arbitrum Foundation and its community started at the end of March, following the foundation's first governance proposal, AIP-1, which called for funding its operations with 750 million ARB tokens worth nearly $1 billion. Following backlash from community members, the foundation said in a forum post on April 2nd that AIP-1 was a ratification, not a proposal. It added that some of the tokens were already sold for stablecoins. At that time, the foundation noted that its symbolic first governance attempt failed due to communication problems and decisions that were clearly not articulated correctly. The efforts, however, did not resolve the issues with the ARB holders. The proposal says the foundation has unilaterally been allocated 750 million tokens from the DAO that was not approved by the governance token holders. Any funds must be returned until it has been properly allocated by the DAO and the DAO only. We have some great articles on Arbitrum, which you can find on our website, linked in the recommended reading down below. Are you a gamer looking for a new and exciting way to earn money online? Or maybe you're a blockchain enthusiast looking for a community hub where you can connect with like-minded individuals? Look no further than our partners at Metacade, the comprehensive GameFi platform that combines gaming with integrated cryptocurrency rewards. The pre-sale for Metacade has ended with a record-breaking 16.35 million raised, and now that the MCADE token is accessible on Uniswap, even more people can participate. What sets Metacade apart from other play-to-earn platforms is its incorporation of additional blockchain services, including compete to earn, work to earn, and create to earn. This means that there are even more ways to earn through the platform, whether you're competing in games, completing tasks, or creating your own content. But Metacade is more than just a way to earn money. It's also a community hub where gamers and blockchain enthusiasts can come together to share their passions and collaborate on projects. The platform is the ultimate Web3 hangout, offering a dynamic and fun virtual space for people to experience everything that GameFi and Web3 culture has to offer. Therefore, Metacade is the place to be, whether you're an experienced gamer or just beginning to explore the blockchain world. Anyone wishing to have fun and earn money online will enjoy this platform's engaging gameplay, built-in cryptocurrency prizes, and lively community. A bug on a smart contract on the DeFi protocol Sushiswap led to over $3 million in losses in the early hours of April 9th, according to several security reports on Twitter. Blockchain security companies Certic Alert and PeckShield posted about unusual activity related to the approval function in Sushi's router process 2 contract, a smart contract that aggregates trade liquidity from multiple sources and identifies the best price for swapping coins. Within a few hours, the bug led to losses of $3.3 million. According to a DeFi Llama developer, the hack should only affect users who swapped in the protocol in the past 4 days. Sushiswap head developer Jared Gray urged users to revoke permissions for all contracts on the protocol. He said, "We're working with security teams to mitigate the issue." Hours after the incident, Gray took to Twitter to announce that a large portion of the affected funds had been recovered through a white hat security process, saying, "We've confirmed recovery of more than 300 ETH from Coffee Babe of Sifu's stolen funds. We're in contact with Lido's team regarding 700 more ETH." Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson is fed up with crypto media journalists who have for years written off Cardano and its ecosystem. After an interview with Cointelegraph that went different than he expected, Charles said this last week.
Talked about a range of topics, but the headline of the interview is, "We bet on the wrong technology," which is absolutely just bullshit. It's a very unfair thing, and it just, again, shows the quality of media in the cryptocurrency space and the people who purvey it. We didn't bet on the wrong technology with Cardano, and the context behind the statement with a historical discussion of how the project evolved. They're just never going to be fair to Cardano, and they're just never going to give this ecosystem its due. You know, every step of the way, we've been on the right side of history. This ecosystem stayed away from the Lunas and the Celsiuses and the FTXs, while the founders of those organizations were having lovely interviews with certain journalists who shall not be named, who love writing books and getting glowing praise, and no one seemed to really go after them. It's actually quite the opposite. They would write articles about how these people are going to be the future. People get tattoos of their logos on their body. Meanwhile, Cardano was demonized as the best case, a scientific project with no commercial value that will never get anywhere. The worst case, one of the longest running scams in crypto. Lo and behold, those ventures aren't here anymore. Now are they?
The composition of Cardano holders has undergone a significant change, with more than half of investors holding onto their assets for more than a year. This shift towards long-term holding indicates increased confidence in the project and its potential for future growth. Ada Whale on Twitter recently posted saying, "The total market cap of the top 25 tokens traded on Cardano is $2 billion. This is a completely independent market from ERC20s that dominate trading nearly everywhere else. It's growing with or without permission and buy-in from your favorite influencers and isn't stopping." Surging activity on Ethereum Layer 2 scaling solution Polygon in March saw the network becoming the second largest blockchain gaming network in terms of unique active wallets. According to the Blockchain Games report published by DappRadar, the number of unique active wallets engaging with games on Polygon hit 138,000 in March, marking an increase of 53% from February. That figure places Polygon well ahead of 3rd and 4th ranked Hive and BNB Chain at 84,000 and 80,000 unique active wallets, while first place Wax is well ahead of the pack with 314,000 unique active wallets. DappRadar said Polygon, a blockchain previously known for DeFi apps, overtook Hive this month and secured the second spot. This is a positive sign for Polygon as it's now gaining recognition as a gaming blockchain. A significant amount of the unique active wallet increase on Polygon was down to the Hunters On-Chain game by Boomland. Launched in January, Hunters On-Chain is a Web3 adaptation of Boomland's mobile game Hunter Royale. It's a free-to-play role-playing game with non-fungible token integration and a similar look and style to Minecraft. That's it for Altcoin Buzz News Update. I'm your host, Cody Buffington. Thanks for watching.